In this video, I'm going to be using some grade 8 3/8 bolts that are 1.25 inches. You want to have enough thread on them so that you can adjust the table, and these really do good. The grade 8, so they're really strong. Stay away from galvanized if you can, because welding those is pretty toxic. If you do use galvanized, I've always been told by my uncle and a bunch of other welders to just drink milk. I used to weld galvanized a lot, and I just drink milk after, and I don't think I ever got galvanized poisoning. Alright, let's do this. In order to center up a nut on the back side, the best way is if you have a bolt that's a countersink, like a countersink screw. I don't have anything 3/8 that's countersunk, and I don't want to, this is the only one I have, so I don't want to grind it all down and turn it into a countersink, but it's a good idea to build a set and have them. I got like 1/4 inch ones and all that, but that way when you put it in, it countersinks its center so that when you put the nut on and weld it on the back side, you can unscrew it and the threads aren't pushed up against it. So I'm probably going to have to tap this after I weld this guy on there. Forgot to spray anti-spatter on the threads. It's a good idea to either spray anti-spatter or to cover them with other bolts or nuts. That way no spatter will get on them and it's easier to take them out. Also, another way to do this is you wrap that bolt in anti-seize and run it in there, and it makes it a lot easier to get out. So it's coming out good, so it must have centered up nice. Easy way to hold this up is to get the shim of the same thickness of this material, put it underneath. All I have right now is that washer I built. Then center it on there. Try and hold steady while you're tacking it. If you wanted to, you could come around and weld this whole head of this bolt in, but since this part's going to be able to screw off, if it ever breaks you can fix it. The best thing to do would just to be able to find one of those swivel ends that they have at the bottom of chairs, you know, with the bolt already attached. That way it can kind of go like this, and you don't have to worry so much about getting this perfectly straight. Make sure you coat the threads or put something in there. Now you can grind them down or leave them like that, whatever your plan is. Now, all you gotta do is put the nut on. Screw it in. Then whenever you get it where you like it, you're just gonna tighten down that nut. Makes it real simple to level things out. And there you have it. Quick, easy, adjustable legs. So before I go, one last thing. You might have noticed while I was welding that is after each run, since this is such a small weld, you know, I'm only doing 1.5 inches and then coming back around. After each weld I was turning it down 1 click, which is on this machine 4 inches per minute each time, and it auto adjusts the voltage so I don't have to worry about it. But on longer runs, like big items, I don't turn it down. It's fine. But anyways, the people at HTP told me that they actually finally have these in stock. They might be sold out already, I don't know. They go really fast. But I really love this machine. If you have a home shop and you're looking for a really good welder that does steel, aluminum, stainless, even does silicon bronze, does flux core, dual shield, all that. 30-pound spools, which is awesome. I never have to change them. But anyways, yeah, check them out if you haven't. So, hopefully this video has taught you a quick, easy way of making adjustable legs for your welding table, or basically anything that you want to be able to level real nice. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more. Check out some of my other videos that I already have on there. Alright guys, have a good one.